ACF here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these paper umbrellas. You'll need a circular sheet of paper. Fold the circular sheet of paper into half and further into a half and stick this part of the paper together. I'm not sticking this part. You'll need 7 such elements. And coming to how we're going to stick the top of our umbrella, I'm going to pick one of the sheets up and I'm going to stick it the same way. I'm going to apply glue on this edge, but I'm going to leave a little space from the bottom. Pick another element and stick it down. And I'm going to do it with all the elements. Now I'm going to leave it aside for some time so it can dry. Now I'm going to take a rectangular sheet of paper and I'm going to roll it up. And I'm going to stick this triangle down with some glue. Now I'm going to trim the edges of the stick that we rolled up. Now I'm going to roll this corner inwards. So it looks like this. Now I'm going to apply some glue on this side of the paper and some glue over here. And I'm going to stick it over here. Hold it together and start opening the paper slowly. Go through it and stick these 2 sheets together. Don't keep it aside for way too long or it's going to be hard for you to stick them together. I've just made sure that it sticks properly. And now that it is stuck, I'm going to take this corner and fold it inwards and roll it the same way we rolled this in. If you feel the stick is a bit too long, you can trim the edge again, remove a small portion, and roll it inwards. And coming to how you can use these as a piece of room decor, and it's a great gifting option to kids when you want to teach them. You can make toys out of paper, and again you can use it as a bookmark. This is how it's going to look. So we're done making our paper umbrellas. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more art and craft content. And do leave a comment down below and don't forget the notification bell.